Hi everyone, welcome to today's The Steady Trader YouTube Live. I think we can all agree that changes in the markets usually originate in the near term, but that's something that a lot of people tend to forget. So this multi-time frame analysis that I always talk about here and I talk about it to clients every single day is really the key factor I think that separates, or one of the key factors that separates the professional trader from the non-professional traders for the most part. If you see any arguments taking place on, say, CNBC or even among friends on different stocks, usually those differentials can be put away by understanding what their time frames are. So, for example, a near-term trader might have a much different opinion on stock XYZ than a long-term fundamental guy. So, what's important is to have a process to map as changes take place. So, like, for example, we had a big rally take place in energy stocks that originated about, I'll show you guys here in a second, about I guess a week and a half or 2 weeks ago. And I don't know yet whether that's going to lead to a longer term rally, but noticing those changes in the near term actually is important. So even if you're not an active investor or a trader, or but a long-term investor, it is important to have a way to measure and map these changes in the near term. So like, I'll show you guys something. So what we have here is my proprietary TST market scanner. So you can see stocks or parts of the market that are down here would be short-term bearish. Anything up here would be short-term bullish. And the energy space, the energy sector, went from short-term bearish to short-term bullish about a week and a half ago. And if you look at the actual chart of the energy sector, you can see that this was one heck of a move that originated about a week and a half ago very quickly. So as a result of this, we actually bought the USO ETF, which is an ETF representing the price of oil. You can see when we entered it, and we sent this to clients in real time. We exited it just yesterday on the 19th for a profit of 5%, and the people who took the options trade that I highlighted here at the time, they would have made a lot more and did make a lot more than just 5%, although 5% is a nice move in oil. But the point is that it is important to understand that all the changes ultimately do happen in the near term. And so I think from that perspective, and I get this question a lot because a lot of our clients are looking to play the market not just tactically, i.e. short term, but also sort of, through the lens of a few quarters or a few years. And all these changes do happen in the near term. As you guys know, I'm not someone who wants to sit in front of my computer all day long and watch the flickering ticks. I don't do that. I don't think that's ever a good thing to do. But it is important to understand that the changes do happen in the near term. And so something like my proprietary TST market scanner is something that helps us to do that. If anyone's interested in that scanner, by the way, you can leave a comment down below or send us an email, and we'd be happy to send you where you can get that scanner so you can look at that yourself. Have a wonderful day. Any questions, as always, comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next YouTube Live.